To remove the gas heater assembly, start by taking out this screw on the back of the unit. Next, remove these 3 screws. Then disconnect all wiring and carefully slide out the gas heater assembly. To remove the igniter, take out this screw and the igniter can then be removed. To remove the coils, start by taking out these 2 screws. Lift away the bracket and the coils can then be removed. To remove the gas valve, start by taking out these 6 screws. Then pull off the combustion tube and mounting bracket. Next, take an open-ended wrench and remove the manifold from the gas valve.